Hey guys, it's Nick again from Nick's Like TV. I'm going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. I'm 11 years old, so I don't know what's going to happen. But just for that cinnamon. Ground cinnamon, if you can see that. And my recorder is John. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to go outside so I don't, in case I throw up. Alright. Let's go.
Okay, hold on. Let me turn the light on.
Ew, disgusting weirdo. Yeah, cool. Okay. Oh no, I just messed up because now someone gets some fell on the ground. So now you get some more. Now it's falling again.
That's cinnamon?
Yeah. Oh God. Here I go. Let's go, guys. Here I go. Happy to throw up, but okay, let's go. All right, here I go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's disgusting. Your nose would do. Want some more? Want some more?
This is bad. Ew, this is really bad. I'm not gonna. Yeah.
Aren't you?
Oh, it's cold outside. It's snowing.
Aren't you cold?
I'm gonna stop the video now. I did it.